electricity, will have increase in the demand
We'll
of
have
the
increase
product
in
or
demand for the
service.
product. Oh, yes.
And then, therefore, maximization of the profits. Okay, next.
Chapter 8 is all
Chapter.
the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis. Strengths. So these are the strengths. Know their competitors.
These are the strengths, these are the weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threat. Now, how do you convert?
The weaknesses into strengths. The product being new lacks established reputation. We can convert this weakness into strength by establishing marketing strategies. And one example for that is providing publicizing testimonies of the users who were cured by the product. And then misconception that the raw material is poisonous. To convert this, we should secure clearance from the BFAD and providing brochures also of the testimonies of the users who were cured by the product. And then we will convert the threats into opportunities. No control over raw material supply. Convert these threats into opportunities. Raw material supply. These threat opportunities will find an alternative raw material that will improve the product, and or even enter into coconut plantations to provide long-term supply of raw materials. And then entry of new competitors. This threat will be converted into opportunity because this threat is a factor that the business will consider in improving the features of the product. Yes. And then we will match the strengths into opportunities. Know their competitors. If the business
consider in general explain.
Okay. So these are the strengths. These strengths are because of the simplicity of the organizational structure, simplicity of the form and the type of the business, and since the easy to manage, this is converted to strength opportunities because problems can be easily detected, timely decisions can be able to address the many concerns of the employees, and the production process is simple. It assures the quality of the product and a cheaper production cost. And the minimum capital requirement, the payback period is shortened because there is a minimum capital requirement.
I want you to discuss the opportunities, how your strength can make use of your opportunities. Do not explain why it is a strength. You explain how the strength can be. You connect it with the opportunity. You will be explaining it individually.
Yeah, production process is simple. Okay, opportunity is
therefore
assurance of the product, assurance of the quality of the product and a cheaper production cost.
I have not heard anything na connect you should connect the two. So this economic growth can be achieved easily by the business because the business can increase its production because it's very simple and its capital requirement which is very low, then it can easily come up with the opportunity that because of the economic growth of the Philippines, then it can easily be able to avail or to maximize economic growth, and also because nowadays people are already becoming more health-conscious. Anak na lang, ayaw itagsa-tagsa na lang, i-diretso na lang, in general. With this strength, it can easily meet or avail its economic growth because it is easy to manage and the capital is very low, therefore the implementer can make use of these opportunities. As a whole. Sige, next. Asa naman ang wala summary? Conclusion, diretso.
Wala na siya, ma'am.
Ay, ginoo ulit. Conclusion.
So after a thorough analysis and consideration of the different aspects of the project study, the proponents have determined that the proposed
period. Period. Wala na. Based on the results nila, siya na. Wala na siya. So, period na siya after desirable. Okay. Therefore, Therefore, the project, wala na siya. Therefore, the proposed project is next.
Wala na siya nun.
Next. Asa mo ito recommended? Further recommendation man na. Ani ama.
Ay, sorry, ma'am.
Wala ito recommended ako. Ano na, just ibabaw. So in the light of the findings, the proponents recommend that be i-read na siya.
Ayan
Na
na.
kung ana, be implemented. Oo niya. Kaya i-transfer na dito sa next paragraph. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
However, the researchers suggest, asa man mo suggest? Suggest to whom? That the following activities that be undertaken to maximize profit and viability. To maximize profit and viability. We suggest that the following, suggest to the implementer, tinali, to the implementer, the following activities to be undertaken to maximize profit and viability. Okay, number 1, diretso na. For safety grounds. Ayaw